Hi everyone, my name is Rin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my experience on using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I have this with me for quite some time now and this has really helped me to take care of my dull and damaged hair. So if you want to know how this product helped to gain beautiful healthy hair, please keep on watching. So my hair used to look very dry, dull and damaged because of coloring, but that is not the only reason which led to such damaged hair. Other factors such as changing weather, pollution and UV rays also aggravated the bad condition of my hair. So all these factors adversely affected my hair and took away, all the natural shine and gloss that my hair had. However, I, as always, came back to the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range because I knew my hair needed help. It needed all the nourishment and the shine and the gloss so that my hair could feel healthy and look beautiful. And this range is even better now because it is infused with keratin excess. So the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range is one solution to all the 5 problems. They are dehydration, split ends, brittleness, straw-like texture and stiffness of your hair. All these problems have only one solution, which is the Total Repair 5, and this, let me tell you, I have hands-on experience, really helps in combating all of these problems. What I really love about the new Total Repair 5 range is the fact that it is infused with keratin excess. Now what this does is that it has the power to penetrate deep into your hair fiber, which will make your hair moist and give you quick results. So there are 3 steps, as you know. First would be using the shampoo, then you will be moving on to use the conditioner, and finally the serum. Now the shampoo and the conditioner can be used for daily purpose, and the serum which is there, you can use it once a week. So let's start off with the application. First step is definitely shampoo, and I will take the Total Repair 5 shampoo. I like to take a generous amount because that's what helps in properly cleansing my hair, and the texture is very smooth and very soft. I like to apply it and lather all over my scalp. I keep massaging my scalp very nicely with the shampoo for a minute or 2, and then I wash it out. This shampoo actually helps in cleansing my scalp very nicely. I have a very oily and flaky scalp, but whenever I lather this shampoo generously into my scalp is very clean and it feels very refreshed as well. So once I'm done with the shampoo, I move on to the Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner, and again I will take a generous amount. This feels very creamy and smooth, and I will apply it to the mid-lengths and the ends of my hair, and I will try to make sure that I coat each hair strand well, and I will allow this conditioner to sit for like 2-3 minutes, and then I will wash it out. So this actually helps to get rid of any dry and frizzy hair, and it also helps in hydrating and of course repairing my damaged hair. You can actually use the shampoo and the conditioner for daily purpose. So once I'm done with the hair wash and the conditioner, I will now move on to applying the Total Repair 5 Instant Smooth Nourishing Oil Serum, and I love using this serum. It just makes my hair so smooth and glossy. My hair becomes very soft. It just makes my hair very shiny as well. All the dryness and dullness is vanished once I use this, and of course using this range on a daily basis has helped me to restore all the health and nourishment that my hair required, and now it feels very soft. You can see I can easily run through my fingers. It looks much more healthy. It feels shiny. The shine is back. This range is really great. I had struggled a lot while trying to find the right products which help in restoring the damage and gives back nourishment, and also kind of have a long lasting effect on my hair, and this combo, this range has been a savior when it comes to damage repair. I really look forward to using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range in my weekly hair care routine because I absolutely love the results that it has given, and I can also see how effective it is once I start using this on a regular basis. So this range is available in various sizes, and the purchase links and other details of this range will be mentioned in my description box down below, so make sure you check out. If you are looking for something which will help to repair your dull, damaged, dry hair and give back the nourishment, make your hair healthy, look shiny and glossy, you can simply close your eyes and try out this range. I highly recommend this, and I hope this video was informative and helpful for all of you. If you have liked watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticalimran. I'm very active over there, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.